that you're supposed to print out if you have an appointment. So I showed it to him. He went through it and said, madam, you cannot have your appointment today. Eh? What do you mean? As how? Bear in mind that my flight was already booked for the 24th. And the last time I did a UK visa, I knew it took more than 2 weeks. So in my mind, I'm like, Oga, you are lying. You must be a joker. You are joking. What do you mean that I cannot have my interview today? For a UK tourist visa for 6 months because that's what I could afford, and you guys know that the visa fee is almost like 300,000 when you convert it, plus you have to pay for some other services. Me, I paid for document upload. If I had known what I know now, I wouldn't have paid for that document upload because you can literally upload everything by yourself. So on the same day, my appointment was for 11:55. I chose 11:55. So this is what I'm wearing, some accessories. I got there some minutes after 12. But first of all, let me first tell you people, it was not even my fault, or was it my fault? I don't know. I put VFS Global on both. They took me to the VFS that does the biometrics for mostly Schengen countries, France and all those places. That's one they took me to. So as I came down from the boat, because I knew I was already running late, I almost walked and passed the security guy. The security guy now asked me what country. I told him UK. He said it's not this place, I should go to that place. I said, what do you mean? He says it's not this place, I should go to the other place that they will take me there. I said, who will take me there? He didn't even answer me again. I just looked around and saw one cab. There are always cab men there that are looking for who to carry and everything. The man asked me, sister, where are you going to? I said, I'm going to the UK area, the UK one. He said, okay, he knows where it is. I said, yeah, okay, let's be going. Fire speed, I am already late. James Bond, but this is what I need actually, because I'm actually running late. Just for me to arrive there, the man asked me for my appointment slip. You know there's a slip that you're supposed to print out if you have an appointment. So I showed it to him. He went through it and said, madam, you cannot have your appointment today. Eh? What do you mean? As how? Bear in mind that my flight was already booked for the 24th. And the last time I did a UK visa, I knew it took more than 2 weeks. So in my mind, I'm like, Oga, you are lying. You must be a joker. You are joking. What do you mean that I cannot have my interview today? I cannot do my biometric today. I said, what's the problem? He say, you came late, or you are way later than you. I have to do my interview today now. Today is my day, 29th of September. He said, no, yes, he knows that today is my date, but my time, I'm way past my time, so I cannot do it. Oga, I beg. Sir, please help me. I started begging because you know that there's a way you go with pride and confidence. Once you find out that it is your fault, my dear sisters and brothers in Christ, you better beg. You better beg. I started begging. I said, sir, please just help me. Please just help me. I'm traveling on 24th. I literally need to do my biometric today. I beg. Just help me. Help me. He said, no, there's nothing he can do. Kiniko. That one. Shouldn't keep in any break. Hey, Jesus. I said, no. After I finished praying on the fire altar, what God cannot do does not exist. And I've already given my testimony ahead of time. You know when Pastor Jerry will say, I've given my testimony ahead of time, just for me to now go there. You now tell me I cannot do my distance today. I say, okay, so what can I do? They say I have 2 options. That I either pay for premium lounge or I try to reschedule the appointment. I say, okay. And now there's even no option. How much is premium lounge? It will like 50K, I'll just pay and go. I asked him, tell me why this man tells me that premium lounge is 150,000 naira. My shoulder pad was like this before. He now went like this. Where will I see 150,000 naira? I already paid more than 300,000 naira for my visa application fee for the other services that I paid for. You're not telling me to pay an extra 150,000 naira. Am I a thief? Am I a thief? Okay, do you give me money to keep? No, okay, do I look like I'm dripping in wealth? Do I look like I have money to throw around? I say, okay, please now. help me. This man said, no, there's nothing they can do. Their hands are tied, blah 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 blah. Once I go inside and they scan the barcode, it will show them and they will ask me to pay. I said, okay, plan B. I have to find a way to reschedule my appointment. I stepped aside to reschedule the appointment. That day was on 29th of September. I'm supposed to travel on 24th. And in my mind, I needed at least 2 weeks for them to be able to process this visa. I started checking for date. The next day that I saw was when, in 1 week time, 7th of October, I said, hey, that would be like say you planned this one for me. But you know what? You cannot see me today. PM, I call my sister, I call my mother, I called everybody that I have their number on that phone. Please, if you people know that you want me to progress in this life, send me money. Because I don't have any other option. I had to pay 150,000 naira. I called my mom, I called my sister. That's how this one send me money, this one send me money. The money finally got complete. I now paid, they allowed me to go. I went to Premium Lounge. By force VIP that I did not plan for. By force VIP, because Premium Lounge is VIP. In fact, when I went in there, there's a way, you go upstairs, use the elevator, you go and they give you a slip. I went to the slip, they mistakenly sent me to the general area. They now came and they were calling my number, whether it's 254. 254, you are VIP, you're not supposed to be here. My mother, I said, who sent you now? That type that I want this VIP, by force VIP. So they now took me to the VIP area, and that's the Premium Lounge area, and they started everything. Then one auntie came and asked me, do you want coffee? Do you want any drink? I said, give me everything that you have, Biko. This my money is not, give me everything. She brought me water. I asked for soft drinks. I collected it too. So they started doing the biometrics. They took my picture, everything. Time for document upload though. I thought my problem was over. Time for document upload. I already printed out my account statement, my letter of employment, and all the necessary ones. If you're watching me now, then this message is for you. If you're going to apply for a UK visa, you better listen to me. You have to upload every page of your passport. Upload every single page of your passport, whether the page has a visa on it, a stamp on it or not. Even the blank pages, you have to upload it. And guess what I did? I did not upload it. I was like, okay, since I paid for assisted services, I paid for them to help me upload. So I was like, why would I be printing this passport that is 32 pages when they can just scan it and upload it? Tell me why I got there. They said they don't do that one. They have to go and print it out. Me that borrowed money to come and do by force VIP. Me that borrowed money to do Premium Lounge. You are telling me that you cannot help me to upload this thing, that I need to go and print it out. My sisters and brother in Christ Jesus, look at all these pages. Look at all these pages of my passport. I had to go and print it out for 1,000 naira each. Calculate it. 1,000 times 32. Calculate it. But God being God, I made the lady my friend. She was able to give me discounts. So I paid how much? So instead of printing one page, you print 2 pages in one A4. So that makes it 16,000 naira. But she agreed to do it for me for 12,000 naira. Somebody shout power. Somebody shout power. Or what God cannot do does not easy. It is not easy. So you see this one that I called. I had to call them back that the problem is not finished. I need extra money. They said I should go and print out all the pages of my passport. They sent me money again. I went and I went and printed it out. I went upstairs. I submitted it and I gave it to them. They said thank you. I said thanks to yourself. I don't need your thank you. That's how I sat down there. They finished doing everything. I saw this other guy that was doing his own. He already came with his printed document. I made a mistake because I knew that if I printed this thing outside, they would charge 500 naira for colored copy. In that place, we were charging 1,000 naira. Do not make my mistake. If you are in fact, just avoid all this document upload. Upload your documents by yourself. Don't pay for document upload. It is not as difficult as it seems. Upload your documents by yourself. If you want them to upload your document for you, print out the pages of your passport before you get to VFS. Everything is more expensive there. Okay? A word is enough for the wise. Of me, I don't help you. It's up to you to understand. So after everything, I was already, you know, my day was already spoiled. While I was going, and now told me, oh, that they bought this package for me. I can pick it up when I'm leaving. I'm going to attach a video to show you guys the package they got for me. There was sandwich inside. There were some cookies, which I really love. I really love those cookies. There was chicken pie, and there was a can of Schweppes. I shot 2 kids. I say, after all this thing, if I calculated maybe 15,000, 20,000, people collected my 150,000, so I would take it. I just said thank you, and I walked out of that place. I am finally done. I am finally done. This is the most stressful day of my life. I won't even lie to you guys. I was so stressed. I mean, I know it's my mistake. Oh, I'm not claiming right. I know it is my mistake, but come on, 150,000 naira. Come on. Anyway, to God be the glory. Maybe I shall got the visa. I've got my visa, so everything worked out perfectly. The end has justified the means, because if the end did not justify the means, me and you know that I will not be sitting down here making this video, but the end justified the means. So I am so grateful. I am happy. I got my UK visa and I am going back to work. For those of you that do not know, my name is Carol. I am a content creator and a Nigerian seafarer. If you want to know more about my seafarer job and my seafarer life, you can follow my TikTok account or follow my other YouTube channel, which I am going to be posting on very soon, and just keep up with me. Also, if you're new here, do well to like, share, subscribe, leave me comment, ask me anything about this how I applied for the UK visa document that they asked for and everything. I would answer your questions. I love questions, so I'm going to answer you. So that is the end of the video today. I got my visa and I am going to be traveling very soon. If you want to see my seafarer journey or my seafaring journey when I start work, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Oh, if not, you are going to miss. That's the truth. I can't lie for you. You are going to miss, because my content are, you understand? You understand? So we see you again next time. I'm going to London. Oh yeah, bye bye.